So let's think about attention now. Attention is social media marketing. When we're doing online marketing, we're going to get attention on the social media sites, on other people's properties, because there are people on there that we can appeal to and try to get the attention of. So the first thing we have to do is we have to be dramatic. When we think about the girl buying the dress, it was no accident that dress was in the window. There's someone's job, literally, I have a friend who does this, to dress the window. And she's going to make it look beautiful. She's going to be dramatic. It's going to be very calculated how that is laid out. And we need to understand that. There's no accident. The shops know how to sell. They've been doing it for hundreds and hundreds of years. And they know how to dress a window. They know how to do the traditional equivalent of social media marketing. So we want to be dramatic. We want to make a statement. We want to be interesting. We want to catch their attention. Sometimes we want to be controversial. We want to say things that surprise people. And we want to get their attention. At the end of the day, this is what we're trying to do. So when you see social media marketing content, a lot of the time, you're going to see people making dramatic statements, or they're going to be doing something that's extremely interesting and different. They might be being slightly controversial. And all of that is about getting their attention. So when we come to AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, which maps the buyer journey, and we match our marketing to that buyer journey, we have to understand that the attention part is where we apply our social media marketing.